Today I will show you how to make a simple garden clay bird like this one. For this I am using air dry clay. I am dividing the clay into three parts, one for the body, one each for the head and tail. By rolling and kneading, make appropriate shape for the body and keep it aside. Now we are going to make its head. While sculpting the head, always start from the beak of the bird. It makes the process easy and beautiful. Attach the head to the body. Make sure to fix the head firmly to the body. I am using a knife for this. Keep it aside once it is done. Now let's make the bird's tail. You can make a tail of any size and shape, but make sure it is in proportion with the body. It looks nice. Now you can add whatever final details you like. For the legs, I am using a steel wire. Let it dry. Our bird is fully dried and I can paint it now. Look at this. My bird is finally ready. Isn't it beautiful? Place the bird in a suitable spot in your garden. My inspiration to sculpt this one is the great tit bird, and I am so satisfied with how it has came out. A touch of life and creativity in my garden. Now it's your turn to make one like this. If you like this video and find it useful, follow our Instagram and Facebook pages and get in touch with us.